Let's continue. This is the processing equipment of our heat treatment R&D center. These are heat-treated products. We have a small exhibition hall for heat treatment products. This is 420 stainless steel. This is 304 stainless steel. This is a stainless steel stamping card. These are stainless steel drawing parts. Long or short, and the thickness is different. Every customer has different requirements. And then we look at all the parameters of the product, how much electricity you use, the size of the plant. A combination of factors to give you customization. This high-end smart device. About the furnace. About the craft. If you have any questions we can talk more about. Thank you.